Hi, welcome to a series of episodes on parenting. In this first episode, we are going to uncover a biggest myth that says parenting is all about the child. Honestly speaking, parenting is never about the child, it's about you. You have to reflect on the child that is within you. You have to think about things that you would have wanted to happen when you were a child. But instead, what we do right now is we put our children at the center of focus and we focus on our children. By doing so, we happen to put a lot of pressure on our children. We dictate and decide what our child or children needs to do. We decide right from their wake up till their bedtime, thinking that these are the best things that you can give to your children. You never think about the kind of interests that they actually have, and you never think about whether they like it or they dislike it. It is all because of your childhood lack. You would have wanted your childhood to happen in a particular way, and in case if it wouldn't have happened in that particular way, you wanted to actually satisfy that particular lack from your child. So indirectly, you start to enforce a lot of habits or a lot of agendas in your child's life. It is like a pre-scripted movie. So this is what happens when you put all the focus on your child instead of putting the focus on you. For all the parents, I can totally understand that the love of your life is your children. And more precisely speaking, your heart resides within them. And you start telling them that you do everything and you sacrifice your life for them. By doing so, you start to force your agendas into your children rather than thinking about what actually they want. Instead of saying everything is for them, just start trying to say that please do it for me, because that is what you are actually doing for your children. When you start saying that please do it for me, then you will understand how many times you utter that phrase in a particular day. So that will make you conscious that you are enforcing your views and ideas on your children. And I would request you not to do that. And there was a question that was asked to a group of individuals. The question was, why do you want to become a parent? And there were different kinds of answers, like, I want to become a parent because I love my mother so much. I want to become a parent because I love kids. I want to become a parent because I want to raise my child in a very abundant way. I want to become a parent because I didn't have a pleasant childhood. I want to give a pleasant, lovely environment for my child. So these were some of the answers that actually followed that particular question. When you look at these answers, you can see one thing in common. Everybody had a focus on themselves. It was all about I, rather than thinking about raising the child in the way the child wants to be. So I would request you at this particular point of time, don't try to be a teacher for your child rather than be a student of your children. You can observe a lot of things. Please observe, please see what they like, what they enjoy, and support them. Let us all meet for our next episode. See you soon. Signing off, this is Dr. Shiv Kumar.